Once again, hello everyone. Today we are going to do a quiz called 3 minute second chance quiz. And this quiz will appear when you get less than 100% in any of the quizzes. And you have to spin the wheel like this. And they will give you 3 minute second chance quiz. And this quiz contains more than 10 questions. So now let's start the quiz.
This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to
Okay, the coming question has got 4 versions, so please watch the image very carefully, or you can see this image. This is the answer of every version, so please see this image very carefully, and this image may be in different position. For instance, in version 1, this image is in A, so the answer is A. So please watch the position of the image very carefully. And similarly, in version 2, this image is in D, so the answer is D. You can see here D. And for the third version, the answer is C, since you can see the image in C. So please see the option very carefully, okay? Now for the version 4, the answer is B, since the image or the option is in B. So please see the image very carefully and then only click, okay? The coming question has got 2 versions, so please read the question very carefully. For instance, in version 1, you can see the question is from largest to smallest by area. So if this question comes, then your answer is CDAB. Now for version 2, you can see the question is from smallest to largest. So if this question comes, then your answer is BADC. Now the coming question has got 4 versions, so please read the question very carefully. For instance, in version 1, you can see here the question is how many books below were written by Stephen King. So if come Stephen King, then the answer is 4. Similarly, for version 2, you can read the question how many books were not written by Stephen King, and if this comes, then your answer is 2. So similarly, in version 3, the question is how many books were written by Michael Crichton. That means Michael Crichton. So if this comes, then your answer is 2. Now similarly for version 4, how many books were not written by Michael Crichton. So if this comes, then your answer is 4. So please read the question very carefully. Okay, the coming question has got 2 versions, so please read the question carefully like that before. For instance, in version 1, you can read the question is from most recent to oldest, and if this comes, then your answer is CABED. Similarly, for version 2, read the question. The question is from oldest to most recent, and if this question comes, then the answer is DEPSC. The coming question has got 2 versions or can be more, so please watch the image very carefully. For instance, in version 1, you can see here there are 7 differences, and I have put each and every difference in order. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So please watch this spot very carefully. Now for version 2, there are 8 differences, and I have pointed each and every of them. So please see this in your question, and if you don't find this or more than this, then your answer will be different. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.